managing the herd and the cows always comes first. Yes, we have to be good stewards of our land also as well, and we have to protect our environment.
My hope for the future for our kids would be that maybe one of them would take over our farm someday.
Farmers have always been stewards of the land, taking care of their natural resources and their animals. But more recently, there's been a need to communicate that in an impactful and meaningful way. The Innovation Center for U.S. Dairy sustainability effort is really focused on how we can do that so that farmers and others in the value chain can track, measure, and communicate progress.
The dairy industry's efforts are extremely important to McDonald's. Our customers want to know where our food comes from and that it's responsibly produced.
We're really excited about this pilot. It's one of the first ever conducted for animal agriculture that can actually track and measure environmental impacts from the farm through the fleet and the plant all the way across the value chain. And it also enables them to look at efficiency improvements and other opportunities to not only improve their environmental footprint, but also their economic bottom line.
Well, we feel that the work the Dairy Innovation Center is doing is industry leading, bringing together all parties across the chain to understand, to define, and to measure sustainability practices. So we wanted to be a part of that.
We had a number of broad-based goals, not least, of course, helping our customer, McDonald's, in their data gathering on sustainability of suppliers. But also, we wanted to be able to test those tools in a real-world environment to help the Innovation Center refine them.
The dairy farms that have worked with us on this pilot project have been able to gather some very valuable information from the Farm Smart tools that will allow them to become better in their practices. As farms pass through generations, they always seek efficiencies. Being able to measure those efficiencies and employ them on farms on a day-to-day basis is a big thing for them.
We have to be very, very profitable, just like any business on the real world. We are a business. And the business is very unforgiving, I guess you could say. There's many things we can control, a lot of things we can't control.
I think the trend in our industry is that we really want to be sustainable. And that's going to give us a great chance to be able to reach the industry-wide goal of reducing the carbon footprint of milk production in the United States 25% by the year 2020.
One of the things I'm most proud of is being able to farm the way we have been, increase our productivity the way we have, and we've been able to grow the farm as our families have been growing in order that we could still make a living at it. The Farm Smart program, we're really looking forward to seeing how it affects things in the future, because it should help put our product out there and in a good light.
Our customers love our quality dairy offerings. So we want our customers to know that the American dairy farmers are working hard every day to bring those quality products to them. And we're proud of the work they do for McDonald's.
As you say, we're all in it together. The farmer, the processor, and the retailer, all of us are in it together. It's an industry-wide effort to reach out to the consumer, to tell them we're doing a good job. We're pouring our heart and soul into our jobs each and every day to make sure that they have a good, wholesome, nutritious food supply, not only once in a while, but all the time.